to be more professional and international. Hello, 大家好，我是传真相 Cici. So today, let's switch to English channel. I would like to briefly introduce Golden Elephant and 瑞象 to you. Founded in 1970, Golden Elephant covers an area of 2.14 million square meters and boasts 7 production bases, serving approximately 50 countries and regions worldwide. Its diverse business portfolio encompasses melamine, fertilizer, ammonium nitrate, hydrogen peroxide, and high-end catalysts, etc. The company has been granted over 700 patents, both domestically and internationally, with 80% of its business sectors ranking among the industry's top performers. It has consistently been recognized as China's top 100 petroleum and chemical enterprises, top 50 private enterprises in Sichuan, top 100 fertilizer enterprises in China for 10 consecutive years. From the early urea to present efficient green fertilizer, Golden Elephant has been engaged in agriculture for over 54 years. It started manufacturing fertilizer in 1970s and was called Meisha Nitrogen Fertilizer Factory back at that time. In 1993, 40,000 tons of urea plant was put into operation, leading a significant increase in crop output. In 2013, an annual output of 600,000 tons of nitro fertilizer plant was put into operation. In 2017, collaborating with BASF with the Fertilizer Synergy Project. In 2021, an annual output of 100,000 tons of special fertilizer plant was put into operation. In the same year, the first CNAS National Certificated Laboratory in agricultural industry was established. Right now, the wholly owned subsidiary of Golden Elephant, Sichuan Ruixiang Agriculture, is responsible for all fertilizer business. Ruixiang is an agricultural technology enterprise that integrates production, trading, sales, service, research, and development, and established crop nutrition data centers and technology application test platforms that spans across the entire country. The green circular economy trend that using natural gas as raw material is at the forefront in the industry. We utilize nitrogen generated from other production processes and work closely with BASF in fertilizer sector. Based on the national soil testing data, we have developed eco-friendly synergistic fertilizers for agricultural production. The entire production process adheres to low energy consumption and zero emission standards, making it a prime example of green productions that empowers green development.